How to delete a blank sheet of Word on mobile device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can delete a blank sheet of Word on mobile device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Word document in your mobile device. So as you can see here, I have 5 pages right here where I have text in my first page and the second page is empty. So if you like to delete your page, first of all open up your Word, then tap on this edit option at the bottom of this interface. That's gonna take you to your editing page. After that, head over to the page that you want to delete. For example, I have this blank second page that I want to delete, so this is my page. Here, first of all, type in something. So for now, I will just type in second page. So to delete this, what you have to do is you have to keep on deleting this until you reach your previous page. So keep on deleting. And if you notice, your second page will be removed. As you can see now, currently I have only 4 pages in my Word. So that means the second page is now deleted. So in this way, you can delete a blank sheet in Word on your mobile device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.